So we've been given the perimeter of an equilateral triangle and the height of the triangle, and we're supposed to work out the value of k. So as this is an equilateral triangle, each of the sides is 624 divided by 3 long centimetres. I've put on the height of the triangle as k root 3, and we're supposed to work out the value of k. We've got one fact missing, and the fact we've left off is that this angle here is 60 degrees. An equilateral triangle, the angles must add up to 180 and they're divided equally. So this is 60. We've got a right angle triangle, we've got an opposite, and we've got a hypotenuse. We could use the sine relationship for 60 and work out what k is. So just writing the sine relationship down, I can say that sine 60 is equal to the opposite, which is k root 3, divided by 624 divided by 3. 3 goes in nicely, 208 times. Sine 60 you should know as root 3 over 2. So this is equal to all our stuff here. The root 3's cancel. And 2 goes into 208 104 times. Got 1 on this side, so therefore I can say that k must be equal to 104. And that's the answer they want.